Hey guys, welcome to my cooking channel, and today I'm going to show you one very simple recipe which involves fresh green fenugreek leaves. In my previous videos I have used dry fenugreek leaves, so these are the same but those are dry and these are fresh leaves. You can get these leaves, fenugreek leaves, from Walmart or any grocery store or Indian stores, and this is also called methi leaves. So these are very easy to chop. You don't even need a knife or a scissor to chop this leaves, and you can also see that I have used the stems. I don't really like to waste stems, so just just include stems also. And these are boiled potatoes. I have taken two medium size boiled potatoes, and this leaves, it looks like it's a lot, but once you will start cooking you will see that it will dissolve so much that you would feel that like this wasn't even enough. So it looks like it is filled with big bowls, but believe me, you will see when I start cooking this. Then in this I'm also going to add fennel seeds. This is, I don't really use fennel in my dishes, but this is the only recipe which I use fennel, and it really brings a really nice flavor into the recipe. And in addition to that I'm also going to use garlic. So these are not finely chopped garlic, but these are finely slices of garlic, and red chili, and of course salt. So this is the only ingredients we need for this recipe. So let's start cooking. So here in a pan I have taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to first stir fry the potatoes for our recipe today. We are going to stir fry this until we see the slightly brown color on outside of potatoes, so which is not going to take really long. So the potatoes have fried now, and you can see nice crunch on the surface. So you don't really need to fry a lot, so I think this is enough. And now I'm going to transfer this potato into a separate bowl, and we are going to use the same pan and cook the fenugreek leaves now. So I transferred the potatoes in a separate bowl, and now in the same pan I'm going to add finely chopped garlic and chili. Sorry, these are not finely chopped, but these are sliced, so you can use finely also as per your preference. So I let the garlic and chili cook for a minute on low heat, and I have taken 3 cloves of garlic and 3 to 4 so now into chili. This we are going to add fenugreek leaves. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And you will see how fast these leaves are going to dissolve, and this is going to leave some water also, so you don't really need to add any water, and if you feel, you can add just a couple of tablespoons of water. As you can see, it has started to dissolve, and you can see the volume of the leaves have gone down so much. Now in this, once this is cooked up, I'm going to add the fennel seeds. So I have taken 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and you can also get this in any grocery store. And fennel seeds are really good. They are really good for digestion. So we usually eat fennel seeds after supper or lunch or after meals. So you can see now the leaves have completely dissolved, and we are going to let this cook for 1 minute. You can see the leaves have completely dissolved. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water. So you can say maybe 2 tablespoons of water. And now into this, I am going to add our potatoes. So I'm now going to allow this to cook for a minute or a couple of minutes, and then that's it. We are actually good to go, and the dish is now then ready to serve. So here this is, guys, after a couple of minutes, the fenugreek leaves and potato are now cooked properly, and it is now ready to serve. You can even add a little bit of more water if you want, but I like it to be this way. So as you can see, this is really easy to cook and very few ingredients which has been used in this recipe, and it is really healthy. So please try this recipe. So here, guys, the fenugreek leaves or methi and potato are now ready, and this was really quick to cook. So please try this, and it is very healthy, and please let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. And if you like the recipe, please share, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.